Yo, 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 what's going on, folks? Elthegeek back once again. This time I wanted to give you guys a video showing you a little something I thought was pretty cool. In this video, it looks like Black Ops 2. It is Black Ops 2, but a lot of people have been wanting, just better sound options for the Wii U or their Nintendo 3DS or their PlayStation Vitas. And I actually bought this little thing that I'm going to show for you guys. For my Kindle, so I can watch movies and things like that, listen to music through it. But randomly I just decided, you know what, it has an auxiliary cord in, and the gamepad, the Wii U gamepad, has a headphone jack in. So I said, you know what, let's run that through here and let's crank this baby up and see how loud it is. Well, I set up a little game, a little scenario where I can get a lot of sound. And you guys will be able to see. And I turned this thing up all the way, so hopefully you'll be able to get some kind of idea of how loud it is. But I would say if you're looking for something, instead of going out and upgrading your sound systems like crazy, or the headphones are kind of crap, which they really are, give it a try. So let's go ahead and jump into this. So I have the gamepad set up, and I'm using the Wii U Pro controller because I hate the gamepad thumbsticks and just the layout for COD. Alright, so and yeah, when this video starts and I really start kicking and start grinding, you really aren't gonna hear me. But I put on like some loud kill streaks. I have point streaks, whichever. I have the Warthog on as well as the Swarm, so you're gonna get a ton of sound out of these.
Do whatever it takes to accomplish the mission.
I have an exaggerated class, playing against bots.
Kill confirmed.
Dumb bots too, by the way.
We're winning this. Kill confirmed. Kill confirmed.
Planning charges!
Kill confirmed.
That Warthog is about to come. I'm trying to set myself up so I don't die randomly.
Planning charges!
You're going that way. Okay, that's cool.
Target check!
Kill confirmed.
Alright, here goes the first one.
Kill confirmed.
Planning charges!
Warthog on standby.
There we go. I'm gonna let that go.
Warthog inbound.
Dragon 1 was
Visual Dragon 1-1 exit.
Kill confirmed.
Alright, folks.
K9 unit on standby.
Well, I'm gonna leave it at that. Oh, let me stop it a little bit. Yeah, so I'm gonna leave
done.
it like that. Hopefully you guys were able to see how loud that was. That was pretty good. I mean, especially coming out of a speaker this small. Let me turn on the sound. I mean, there you go. And this is what it actually looks like. Let me pull this back a little bit. This is what the JBL Flip looks like. It's pretty cool. The sound on it is, this thing is a monster, I tell you. Yeah, but it's only $100. I like it. And you can use it, it has other uses. You can use it for other things instead of just your gamepad. So if you listen to music through your phone, it's pretty cool, especially for $100. But anyways, guys, hopefully you guys like this tip. It's not necessarily anything that's not common knowledge, but it's pretty cool for people that didn't think of it, or were looking for a cheaper solution than going out and buying a brand new surround sound system for the time being. Now, this is only going to be something that you can exploit in games that you can use to the gamepad, but there's quite a few games that you can. I mean, you wouldn't be able to use it on Zombie U because you can't use. I don't think you can run it primarily through the gamepad, since you have to use the gamepad for like game-related functions. But yeah, I mean, for the most part, this is probably one of the cooler solutions that I've seen as far as approaching, because the headphones that they have that are out really suck, and the amount of sound that you can get out of them just really isn't that loud. But thanks for watching, guys. Peace.